Good morning, friends. You see that dirt behind me? It's a little bit too hard because it's all virgin soil where we've been digging up into that bank. It's a little bit too hard to dig it out with the backhoe. So we are going to take the Trackhoe that you hear humming over there in the background, and we're going to loosen that pile of dirt up real quick. And then, this is exciting, for me anyway, we're going to go down the hill into the meadow and we are going to dig a pond, a nice big one. At least we're going to get started on that today. So y'all come along and help me out. Alright, that is done. That whole pile right there now can be picked up and moved with the backhoe and the dump truck easily. We still have to go all the way back to that yellow ribbon there, back in behind that fence, all the way up. That big tree's coming out, those two rocks I hope are coming out. We're going to square this corner out because we're going to put a house right here. But now, we're headed right down there into the meadow to start a pond. I've got a little bit of a problem here. This grease zerk right there services these bushings. Look how dry it is. So it's gotten plugged up. I think you can see it now. So anyway, right there is the hole where it's supposed to come out. Then it is plugged solid, packed in there with dirt. So I'm going to go up in the shop and grab some picks and see if I can get that cleaned out. I have a whole brand new set of picks here, and I think this one might work. At least it might get started on it. Oh, that stuff's packed in there tight. Wow. Digging a pond, you see I've gotten down into a clay layer here, and then I hit this. What is it? Well, as you can see, or barely see, I'm standing down the bottom of a big old hole and it's getting too dark to work. But this is a great start. Part one on the pond build. Little water down in the bottom already. Thanks for helping today. See you tomorrow.